guys, Choppers Rule 1 here. Oh, there's the pedal car, the hot rod, cat rod, all pulled apart, ready for paint. I'll just give it a light sand down because it doesn't have to be sanded back to bare metal or anything like that. So there's the fire truck. So I've got it all done, and got the wheels. The wheels are down there. I sanded the wheels, got all them done. I've got the paint for those, which is up here. I've already done some painting. Look, I've got the bumper bar, the shroud, the steering wheel, the gear shifter, and the grille all painted silver. I'm going to do red body. I've got some gloss red, gloss true red, and for the wheel, just something a little bit different. See if I can get the focus. And I got gloss classic cream, so I reckon they look pretty cool. Headlights, guys, headlights. Check that out for headlights. They're 240 volt lights out of a house that I got from the dump, but they'll be perfect for headlights. They'll look really cool. I'm still looking for tail lights. May have to go stickers, I think, but we'll see what happens with that. But anyway, I've just been sanding it all back, so we'll get around to painting it and see how we go. So I just thought I'd give you guys an update, and hopefully with a bit of luck, she should be painted this weekend. Also, I'd like to wish everybody a happy Easter, and have a safe one. If you're going to drive anywhere, be careful. We've already had a few tragedies on the road here, so be careful, and have a lot of fun. Alright guys, that's it from me. Bye for now.